Closing market comments for Thursday, February the 18th. Markets opened higher last night but sold off in corn and soybeans before morning. Wheat rallied and held strength through the day today. USDA released their outlook numbers today. Corn acres at 92.0 million acres. That's below the average guess of 92.9, but above last year at 90.8. And they put out an average price for corn for next year at $4.20. Soybean acres were at 90 million acres. That's up above the average guess of 89.4 and above last year at 83.1, with the average price for soybeans for next marketing year at 11.25. Wheat acres were at 45 million. That's down from the average guess of 45.5 and above last year at 44.3, with most of that increase coming in soft red and hard red winter. Cotton acres were down about a million acres at 12 million. The markets reacted to the numbers today, with beans lower, down 8 cents, corn or down 2 on new. Corn was fairly quiet but did close down 3 cents on old and down a penny, and wheat had a strong day, up 18 cents and up 12 cents on new crop. The forum will release their production estimates tomorrow and come out with the final carryout numbers for the 21-22 season, so we'll have to see those numbers tomorrow when they're released. The other news that came out was the numbers on the weekly oil inventory, which were a little bit surprising. Crude oil stocks were 461.8 million. That is down 7.2 from last week, but still 18.9 million above last year. Gasoline stocks at 257.1 million, up 700,000 from last week, but 2 million below last year. And distillate stocks at 157.7 million barrels, down 3.4 million from last week and 17.1 million above last year. Ethanol production for the week was down 26,000 barrels per day at 911,000, 129,000 below last year. We've heard lots of rumors recently that ethanol producers were losing money as much as 10 cents a gallon and that high natural gas prices were part of the issue. We are hearing talk that some of the natural gas producers are buying back contracted fuel from them, and they're selling that off and running at reduced capacity, and the production this week appears to be true. Could be a bigger drop next week. We'll have to see. The disappointing part was ethanol stocks were higher even with the lower production. Ethanol stocks this week at 24.297 million barrels, up 501,000 from last week and 484,000 below last year. The dollar today was down 3.94, but wasn't enough to support the market. Gold was up 70 cents, silver down 189 points. Crude oil was finally down today, down $1.04 at $60.10, and the stock exchanges were all lower. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.